Shalom, shalom, shalom. An update on my indoor garden because my outdoor garden is too freaking cold for me right now. My daughter wanted to grow a dragon fruit seed. Believe it or not, we are growing a dragon fruit cactus. How crazy is that? So that's growing. The brown stuff you see on top is this neem seed meal. I don't get any money from these people. Just showing you what works for those pesky little indoor plants. Pineapple, because I recycle my seed, because I recycle my soil. You also see a few sprouts of carrot in there. They'll be fine. Hallelujah. Pineapple. A lot more carrot in that one. If they grow, they grow. This one is permission. Hasn't sprouted yet, but I'm hopeful. This one is lemon, which is almost time for Lemon to get her own, this size pot. Hallelujah. And then over here, I have aloe vera, which as you can see, I recently used some in a body, product, and I got to cut from my own aloe vera. There's actually two in here, but one died and one lived. So hallelujah. And then this one is mango. But as you can see, recycling, pretty sure that's watermelon. Whatever it is, she growing. Hallelujah. And then this one is also mango. Recycling my soil. These are sweet potatoes all the way around. And then this is another mango. And so as you can see, I like trees. And I actually have some more trees growing outside, but let's take a quick intermission and then I'll go show you all those trees. So like I said, it's cold out here. So we're going to do it real quick. Plum, peach, pear, apple. And then this one is plum, peach, pear, apple. So I have two of each one. And then these two here, this one here, that one there are fig. And then there is two blueberries, one right there and one right there. The other stuff died either due to the cats or due to the cold. Hallelujah. All right. Shout out to Ama Vicky for putting me back on the video gang. I haven't been videoing in a while. And so, hallelujah for my gardening update. I do plan on planting some stuff. Come here soon. All right. Shalom, shalom.